guys, this is Buckle123 and welcome to another episode of Adventure Series. This is in Drummer Boss Week. And, yeah. Yay!
The Drummer Boss will be talking.
Yay! Anyway, so this is like the second run of this episode. Drummer had a little oopsie in the middle. So, yeah. And I didn't want to be bothered to edit it out. Yeah, he's using the Wi-Fi boots to get the high torches.
Yeah, I have to.
Okay. And in this episode, we're going to be like moving the torches and stuff.
Oh.
Not torches, the sponges. And oh my god. Like, some of these rooms just got really, really dark. But yeah, and we're having like ladders and stuff because we need to like get all the torches and ladders and we need like the decorative blocks back. So yeah, and today I think it's raining.
Yeah, it's raining outside.
Oh, and Diamond got shoved in a cage by the creeper. I forgot. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Want me to break this cage? Okay, I'm gonna grab my shears and stuff.
I got my room nice and lit up now.
Can you get my room nice and lit up? Actually,
yeah.
I'll do it. Yeah, just put them on the chandelier too. We need them on the chandelier.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Thank you. Thanks. Oh. There's normally like a torch right there. There's normally torches right here. I think that's it. Yep. I'll just put a torch there just because.
Adding on the slabs.
What slabs?
The slabs in the item frame.
In my room?
Yeah.
I don't think I have slabs in item frames in my room. That's a nice update anyways.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do.
I think I did, but one of them was like
I
crooked.
remember it.
Okay, can you do that with, I just placed down another one over next to the ladder so that it goes to the top of my head. Can you do that one? I think just like use like any, actually according to Toy Cat, I'm pretty sure there's like no extremely fast tool you can use to break sponges. So, because I'm pretty sure, I don't think I watched like the whole stream, but I watched most of the stream that he drained the temple in. And that's why.
Yeah, that was like a 4-hour stream.
Yeah, I watched a lot of it, but that's what the series goal for nothing is, to drain an ocean temple. Because I want to know what it's like to drain it in survival.
You've got creative.
Yeah, we did it on creative, and I'm just like, I did it on creative. I wonder what it's like doing it on survival hardcore. Not hard. It isn't hardcore. Like, it is still on peaceful until we go to the temple, so then the guardians don't despawn. But like, I wanted to see like what is it like. I broke a hole in the ceiling, Drummer. Can you fix the hole?
What hole?
I broke a glass. I broke a window on accident. Yeah, tell me off. I broke a window. It's up. It's like a block in front of the, what's it called? In front of the ladder. Okay. It's like,
You don't have to slide too much.
Yeah, I accidentally broke one of the windows. Okay. This is the way up. Oh, did you run out of ladders or something?
No, I still have ladders. Alright.
I'll finish the ladder to the tower. Huh. I'm surprised the ladders up here didn't break.
Where's the glass that you broke?
It's like, oh, these ones broke. Okay. So like, climb up the ladder to the roof. Like, I think it's like right here. Yeah, it's right here. I fell through it, like right here.
Ah!
We both fell through it.
I'm just flying up.
And I'm thinking, if I even accidentally hit Drummer Boss, then I'll do like a challenge or something. Like not like an ice bucket challenge, but like I'll put like my feet in cold water or something for a video or something. Did you just break a block? Okay, good. You're placing it on
Yeah, because it's light. What color is it?
the thing.
Color's not staying. Play.
It's it goes light blue, cyan, dark blue. But while you're flying, can you destroy those other sponges? I can't reach them with my puny little hands.
Oh, I got it then.
Oh, hang on a minute. Stealthy Whale, if you watch this, there is 5 blocks here, not 6 blocks. I knew something looked wrong. Yeah.
That'd be a cool challenge for you to do, Block of Lapis.
What?
You have to keep your feet in cold water for a whole video.
Yeah. Yeah.
How would they know you're actually... You'd have to do a foot reveal.
Foot reveal.
Foot reveal.
Foot reveal episode. What if I accidentally drop my controller in the water?
Oh, that would suck.
Thankfully, I have 2 controllers though.
Yeah. If I drop... But as of right now, the only controller I have... Like, I have 3, but one of them, the joystick doesn't work that well, and the other one...
Yeah, the one that you couldn't sprint with.
Yeah, the joystick that wouldn't work well. And then the other one...
Can you try to craft some
right
doors?
bumper.
Can you craft some doors? Because
Yeah.
we need some new doors. Like the doors to our bedroom are broken, and the doors to the house. Like everything is broken.
So what doors then?
These are spruce. It's spruce, birch, and jungle.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and I think I might destroy that little corner. That little corner over there.
Where's the crafting table at?
Just craft a crafting table. There's a crafting table. Oh, over here. I'm dancing on it.
Oh.
Not based on based off of a flag commercial or anything. Oh, this is another case where I need to put on the what's it called, the lever. Drummer boss? I just realized something.
What?
I think my horse drowned.
No!
The horse, it drowned. The creeper killed it, and because I'm pretty sure for adventure series
Or
and
Brother Ross stole it.
our brother Boss stole it.
Or stealer.
He probably, if so, then he probably threw it in a bunch of black paint or something, and he's like, ha ha ha, now I have a black horse, like a black knight, ha 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 ha, something. They're stone now. The stone now. So they're all the stone. It's stone. It's stone now. Okay, that lever didn't get destroyed. Is there anything else? Any other buttons or levels get destroyed? Oh yeah, over here. Did destroy that. Wait, my place. Did I have any fancy buttons? No, I didn't. Okay.
I'm getting the room, I'm getting this room.
Yeah, that'll be a pain in the butt.
Why? Because it's big?
Yeah, because it's long.
Well, at least if there was a pain in the butt in the last episode trying to just drain it.
My house is easier to drain than an ocean temple, I'll tell you that.
So, you know what's funny? The bathroom is the only room that has water. Or one of the only rooms that has water in it. And that's the only room that didn't get flooded, it looks like.
The creeper is probably like, heh. He's probably just like, I'll give him a break or something. Because if I had to do that, I would have to break the mirror or something. I'd have to break the mirror.
Oh yeah.
I'm surprised the ladders in this room didn't get flooded. Did this room get flooded? No, it didn't.
Room. That was actually really easy.
Hang on, did it stop raining?
Yeah.
It stopped raining. Woo!
Yay.
guys earlier. I forgot it. But today to the Hall of Friends. Oh, I feel like my dryer is about to go off, so don't be surprised if there's a jump cut in a second. Today in the Hall of Friends, we are adding Stevie the cat because Stevie the cat has been a good cat for Drummer Boss.
Yeah.
He's a good cat.
She's been a good girl. She's just sleeping on the couch right now.
If I knew how, I'd probably pop an image up. I'd probably pop up like an image just like, that's what Stevie the cat looks like. But I don't know if Drummer Boss has released like any images of Stevie the cat.
Well, my profile picture on YouTube is her.
Oh. There's always questioned me like, why is your profile picture a cat?
Yeah, because that's Stevie the cat.
JT's room flooded? No, it's not. I think we cleared out the whole house.
Oh wait, well we still have to. I'll just Wi-Fi up here.
Okay, I think we cleared out the whole house.
Get this. Get this.
I think we cleared the whole house.
This.
There we go. So now what do we do with these sponges, Drummer Boss? We cook them. Give me all the sponges. Give me all your sponges. There should be like a stack or something. Oh, 41? Oh yeah, we destroyed some sponges earlier. I swear I used a stack.
Are we gonna transfer them to nothing?
I don't think there's actually a link to Nothing from Adventure Series. I don't think there's a link. Yeah, the only links that there are Drummer's Fun Adventure. Drummer's Fun Adventure, I get there from there, the Code Pipe, or something, or some other.
Drummer's Fun Adventure has a link to Nothing. Like, I may explore Nothing in one of my new episodes of Drummer's Fun Adventure.
Like, there's a link to Clenching Mice World over there. There's a link to
Wipeout.
Wipeout. That's where I won the golden cobblestone. I mean the golden drum set. I'm not Sunday.
I want to go to Wipeout. I want to win a new drum set too. My birthday's coming up. I want a new drum set too.
Thank God you were not playing the lover. Oh yeah, that's Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. That's.
I want to go. I want to go.
I can't have you teleporting away. Let's go turn off. I'm gonna go turn off the teleporter. Type in the code. Beep boop boop beep boop boop beep boop. Okay, that's turned it off. You can't teleport anywhere anymore.
I know the code.
What is it then?
318.
No, it isn't.
It's 608.
How do you know my birthday?
Because you've told me a million times.
No, it isn't. It's actually I shouldn't tell you. I wouldn't. I wasn't like the code is blah blah blah. But then I would have told you the code, and then you could teleport. No, I'm not telling you the code.
That would have been a great reverse psychology thingy. Would have been like.
The code is the duck song.
Oh, well, if it's not like that, then what is it? Fine.
Like that would have been like the best mind trick ever.
When I was like 8, my little cousin was jealous that I had my own password. So he was like, you don't have a password. I'm like, yeah, I do. He's like, what is it? And I say it, and then he's like, ha. But then he's like, wait, what was it? I'm like, I'm not telling you again, ha.
Okay.
He was like,
Anyways, this corner is getting destroyed again for like the 5th time.
what?
Ah! Fell in a hole. Don't come in here, Drummer Boss, or else you'll die. Cause it's another way.
I want you to punch me.
Why?
Because I want you to have to do a challenge in one of your videos. Hey, I just noticed that for Drummer's Fun Adventure, the item is a drumstick.
I actually know why you like chicken. You know what that is?
Why?
Because it's a chicken drumstick. And you're a drummer, so you like a drumstick. So it's a chicken drumstick.
Ha! No, the real reason why is because I literally have chicken every, other night.
That's how it is with my mom too.
Because my parents are all about eating really healthy, so we eat one unhealthy meat a week, and then on all the other nights,
It's chicken.
I'm just kidding.
Chicken.
No. We have chicken. We have chicken one night, and then we usually have things like salmon.
I don't like salmon.
I love salmon. I'm such a seafood eater. I just love seafood. That's why I'm going to Joe's Crab Shack for my birthday.
Really? I've never been to that place.
Me neither. Are you recording? Lapis.
Who sent you the message?
Stealthy whale.
Stealthy whale. Just send him a message back saying that Lapis is recording. Then he'll know. Then he'll be like, ah, okay. And afterwards, I'll join this game afterward. Okay, so. Okay, I'm just gonna, well, do I have any books in here?
Hey, Block of Lapis. I
What?
remember a while ago for a failed video, we were gonna make tag boots. And I still have the tag boots. Do you want to play a round of tag?
No.
Why?
Those are like really old Wi-Fi boots. I don't know if they work anymore.
They do still work. I tested them the other day.
No, you didn't. Okay. I need some bookshelves.
I'll be right back, Block of Lapis. At the end of the video, and thanks for watching, everyone.
Okay. I just need what's it called? A bookshelf. That's about CU31 stuff. Not important. Not important. Not important. Not important. What is this? Shoes. Flying boots. Yeah. I think that's literally what Drummer was just talking about. That's literally what he was just talking about, I think. And speed motion. Hang on, guys. I'll be right back with the correct materials. Anyways, I'm back, and I got the right materials. So, anyways, what we're going to do is I'm over here. I'm going to put some bookshelves. Because I want a bookshelf over there. And then I'm going to grab... In a minute, okay, actually, not in a minute, right now. I'm gonna grab, what's it called? This is my wood chest, right? Yep, okay. So let's just grab this. And I need a trap door. So do I have any trap doors? Oh, Drummer Boss, you back? You back? Can you try to find a trap door, okay? Give me a trap door. Cause I need a trap door. So then I can flip it up there. Because I'm editing that corner again. Do you have a trapdoor? There you go. Throw it. Throw it to me. Thank you. You can still talk, you know. Did his mic die or something? Here, let me shoot him in the face and then his mic will work. Need to shoot him and then his mic will work. Boo! Boo! Okay, now your mic should work. Right? You should work, right? Did he?
Can you not hear me?
Oh. Oh, there we go. And Drummer's back. Yay! Now, like, I think maybe, like, right here I can have some, what's it called? I can have, like, a minecart with chest in the middle. Aw, crap. It's going off. Let's see how long it goes for. There you go, it's off. I just perfectly waited. But what do you think of the new corner, Drummer Boss? What do you think of this new corner over here?
I like it.
Do you know what it's based off of?
Farmers Community?
No. You know what it's based off?
Darwin 68?
No.
Darwin 68?
You know what it's based off of?
What?
It's based off of, not Clenching Might's world.
So, Stealthy Rogue world.
Yep. Because in the corner, he's got like a lamp, and he's got some bookshelves, and he's got that pretty much that exact same color armchair. So yeah. Wait, what was I looking for? What was I looking for? Oh yeah, I need stairs.
Hey, welcome breakfast. I haven't given you this in a while.
Oh yeah. This is like an old tradition at the beginning of the series. Oh yeah, and that old chest. Do we have any like stairs in a chest? Drummer, just keep looking around and see if you can find like, I need 2 spruce stairs. So I'm just gonna keep looking around. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Nothing. 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 Oh! Thanks. Thank you. Drummer? You know what? I need to like get some like security around here or something. Because of like, I do not want you getting captured on your birthday or something. That would suck. Like, one of the Creepers Evil's plans, I believe, was like capture Drummer. So I need to keep, again, I gotta keep you safe, right?
Yeah.
Whoa, that was a big painting. Remember that painting that was sticking out in nothing?
Yeah, that was weird.
Honestly, I still don't know how I link to like any like other of my series other than Clenching Might's World and Drummer's Fun Adventure. Like I need to like get a teleporter there so I can get there quicker. Cause I got like another secret room, and it's like it's basically just like a bunch of tunnels, which is really annoying. So I need to get that settled out. Oh. What do you think of that painting, Drummer? Do you like that painting, or do you want me to change it back to the creeper painting? You like it? Okay.
Yeah, I like it.
Anyways, guys, I think it's about time to end the video. Okay. But first, I think, maybe if you can, real quick, Drummer Boss, find some cyan wool so we can make, not cyan wool, that's the other called. Oh yeah, dark blue. Oh, found some dark blue wool, I can just craft it. I'm gonna make some, like, dark blue carpet. I'm gonna make, like, a couple of these carpets. And I'm gonna make like a little patch. Make like a little rug over there. Actually, no, I'll make like a coffee table. I'll make a coffee table out of oak. And then we'll end it. Actually, is that too crowded? Oak. 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 Oak.
Wait, keep saying oak. I can make it a remix.
Oak. 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 Oak.
Oh, he likes oak. O-A to the K. Oh, yeah, he likes oak. It's okay. And you think that it's gonna be right. Birch is not better. Oh, yeah, that is right. I like fruit, not fruit. And I wanna be you, and I don't know how to rap anymore. Oak. Stop saying oak. It's my rap, and I don't wanna say it, but it is the tap. I don't like to say it that fast, and I want to see the spruce wood ochre in a brass.
Oak.
I don't know, that was just freestyle about oak. O to the A to the K, O, oak, and you think it is okay.
Oak.
But O, A, K, and you want to say it's okay, and I don't want to be the wingman.
Okay, that's another song for our quoted album.
Yeah, we should really make an album on iTunes.
And then we can be like, okay, download our awesome songs, such as Building Up a Wall.
10 times more swag.
I'm at the Oak song. Oh, to the
The
Oak.
abandoned mine shaft.
Oak. I found an M&M mine shaft. I found an M&M mine shaft. The M&M's mine shaft.
I found out abandoned mine shaft. I found it.
Anyways, guys, hopefully you have enjoyed this episode of Adventure Series, where I go on adventures with my friends.
Terminator, which is subscribing.
Oh yeah. What the heck?
Oh,
What the heck? What? What? I'm not gonna become a Drummernator if that's what happens. You die if you become a Drummernator. I don't know. But anyways, guys, make sure to become a Drummernator, which is a subscriber. If you like the video, like it. Thanks for clicking on this video out of all videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!